The Begonia Rex, often called the painted leaf begonia, is celebrated for its stunning foliage, a living work of art that brings a sense of wonder into any home. With its dramatic swirls of color and bold patterns, this plant is more than just a decorative accent. It's a statement piece that draws the eye and sparks conversation. Its presence can transform any indoor space, infusing rooms with vibrant energy and a touch of the extraordinary. Whether placed on a windowsill, a shelf, or as part of a lush plant corner, the Begonia Rex instantly elevates the atmosphere. Unlike many houseplants grown primarily for their flowers, Begonia Rex captivates with its intricate, colorful leaves that offer year-round visual interest. The leaves themselves become the main attraction, displaying a dazzling array of shapes, textures, and hues that change subtly with the light and seasons. Each leaf is unique, displaying a tapestry of burgundies, silvers, greens, and pinks. No two plants are ever the same. This endless variety means that every Begonia Rex collection is a personal gallery, with each plant offering its own distinct personality and flair. Caring for a Begonia Rex is like curating a gallery of living paintings, encouraging mindfulness and a deeper appreciation for nature's artistry. The simple act of tending to these plants can become a calming ritual, connecting you to the natural world, even in the heart of the city. Despite its exotic look, it's surprisingly manageable. The plant communicates its needs through its leaves, making it perfect for beginners. With just a little attention, you'll quickly learn to read its signals and provide the care it craves. In this video, we'll show you how to help your Begonia Rex thrive, turning your home into a sanctuary of quiet painterly charm. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your indoor garden, you'll discover how this remarkable plant can bring beauty, tranquility, and inspiration to your everyday life. The true star of the Begonia Rex is its foliage. Leaves that dazzle with a spectrum of reds, silvers, pinks, and purples, each one looking as if it's been painted by hand. These colors aren't just bold, they seem to glow, catching the light in ways that make the plant appear almost otherworldly. Often, the leaves shimmer with a metallic sheen, reflecting light and adding a touch of magic to any space they inhabit. This unique quality makes them stand out even among the most vibrant houseplants. Each variety is a new masterpiece, with patterns that can range from dramatic central stars and hypnotic spirals to playful speckles and bold contrasting veins that look almost like brushstrokes on a canvas. The leaves' shapes and textures add even more intrigue. Some are perfectly heart-shaped, others deeply lobed or puckered, each one offering a different tactile experience. Many have a velvety feel, inviting you to reach out and touch, as if the plant is encouraging a closer connection. This plant invites not just admiration, but touch and close inspection. It's a sensory experience, appealing to both sight and touch. As each new leaf unfurls, it reveals a fresh combination of color and form, making every Begonia Rex a living, evolving work of art. Watching a new leaf emerge is like witnessing a tiny miracle of nature. Whether you have a single plant or an entire collection, their visual impact is truly stunning. They can transform a simple shelf or windowsill into a vibrant display of living color and texture. In the world of houseplants, Begonia Rex proves that foliage can be the main event. Captivating, expressive, and endlessly fascinating, it's a showstopper in any home. To care for Begonia Rex, it helps to know its roots, literally. Native to the humid shaded forest floors of northeastern India, these plants evolved to thrive in filtered light, warm temperatures, and rich, airy soil. Their journey from Indian forests to our homes began in the 19th century, when breeders created hybrids bursting with color and pattern. Remembering its origins guides every aspect of care, from light to soil. By mimicking its natural habitat, you'll help your Begonia Rex flourish as a living piece of the tropics in your home. Begonia Rex thrives in bright indirect light. This is essential for maintaining its vivid leaf colors and unique patterns. Place your plant near a window where it can enjoy plenty of natural light, but make sure it's shielded from harsh, direct sun. Direct sunlight can easily scorch its delicate leaves, causing brown spots and fading. Water your Begonia Rex when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Consistency is key, but be careful not to overwater. These plants are sensitive to soggy roots, which can lead to root rot. Always use a pot with drainage holes and discard any excess water that collects in the saucer. This helps prevent water from sitting at the bottom and keeps roots healthy. When watering, aim for the soil and avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can encourage fungal diseases and leaf spots. For best results, use a light, well-draining soil mix that allows air to reach the roots. Mix regular potting soil with perlite to improve drainage and aeration, and add orchid bark to further enhance the soil structure, mimicking the plant's natural environment. Maintain indoor temperatures between 18 and 24 degrees Celsius, 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep your Begonia Rex away from cold drafts or sudden temperature changes. Stable conditions help the plant thrive. Humidity is crucial. If your home is dry, place your plant on a pebble tray with water, group it with other plants, or use a humidifier to boost moisture in the air. A happy Begonia Rex will reward you with lush, vibrant foliage and striking colors. Keep an eye out for changes in appearance. Washed out or faded colors usually mean your plant is getting too much light, while leggy, stretched out growth is a sign of not enough. Adjust the light as needed for optimal health. With the right care, your Begonia Rex can become a true showpiece, adding a splash of color and personality to any room. Remember, small adjustments in care, like moving your plant or tweaking your watering routine, can make all the difference in keeping your Begonia Rex healthy, happy, and beautiful for years to come. Even with good care, Begonia Rex can face issues. Powdery mildew is common, appearing as a white dust on leaves. Prevent it by watering the soil directly and ensuring good airflow. Treat with a milk solution or fungicide if needed. Drooping or wilting leaves. Check soil moisture. Overwatering and underwatering both cause problems. Crispy brown edges signal low humidity. Boost moisture with a pebble tray or humidifier. Watch for pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Wipe them off with alcohol or use insecticidal soap. Leggy growth means your plant needs more light. Move it to a brighter spot and prune to encourage bushiness. Regular inspection helps catch problems early. Responding to these signals turns challenges into learning opportunities. With attentive care, your Begonia Rex will bounce back and thrive. Begonia Rex is the ultimate houseplant for adding color and personality to any space. Its ever-changing display of jewel tones and silvers makes it a living piece of decor, perfect for brightening shelves, desks, or small apartments. Compact and bushy, it fits anywhere, no sprawling growth to manage. Caring for Begonia Rex is rewarding. It teaches you to observe and respond, deepening your connection to nature. Watching a new leaf unfurl is a simple joy that brings mindfulness and calm. With thousands of cultivars, there's always a new variety to discover. Start with one, and you might soon find yourself curating a collection of living art. Begonia Rex isn't just a plant, it's a passion that grows with you. Growing a Begonia Rex is a journey of discovery. Each leaf a painted jewel, each day a new delight. These plants offer year-round color and texture, thriving with just a little care and the right spot. You don't need a garden. A windowsill is enough for this living art. Begonia Rex teaches patience, observation, and the joy of nurturing beauty. Welcome one into your home and let its quiet presence remind you to slow down and appreciate nature's artistry. More than a houseplant, it's a small piece of the world's wonder, ready to be cherished.